Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you inside our concrete pump truck factory in Changsha. First, let's take a look at our production facility. Steel cutting and preparation. Our factory covers a large production area with multiple specialized workshops. We use laser cutting machines to process high-strength steel plates. This guarantees precise dimensions and clean edges. Every department follows strict quality control standards to ensure durability, safety, and performance. Pump truck process. Now let's focus on today's highlight, the production of our 26-meter concrete pump truck. We start with a heavy-duty truck chassis. Our engineers install reinforced subframes, hydraulic outriggers, structural supports, power and hydraulic interface and stability during pumping operations. This ensures the vehicle remains stable during pumping operations. Next comes the boom system and upper structure, which is the core working part of the pump truck. High-strength steel plates are precisely cut by CNC machines and then welded by robotic and skilled manual welding. This guarantees accurate dimensions, strong weld seams, lightweight yet durable structure. Each boom section is assembled with hydraulic cylinders, pins and bushings, concrete delivery pipelines. After assembly, we perform repeated folding and extension tests to ensure smooth movement and long service life. For mixer pump trucks, the mixer drum system is another key highlight. This design combines mixing and pumping into one machine, improving efficiency and reducing labor costs on site. The drum is manufactured using wear-resistant steel plates, automatic rolling and forming equipment, precision welding technology. Each drum is dynamically balanced to guarantee stable rotation and longer service life. After that, we install the pumping system, including hopper, main hydraulic pump, delivery pipes, electrical control system. All hydraulic and electrical components are integrated by experienced technicians to ensure stable output and easy operation. Before delivery, every pump truck must pass strict testing procedures. We conduct hydraulic pressure tests, boom load tests, pumping simulations, mixer drum rotation tests, road tests. We simulate real working conditions to guarantee performance and safety. From chassis installation to boom manufacturing to mixer drum fabrication and final testing. Every step is completed inside our factory with strict control and professional standards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and contact us for more information. See you in the next video.